Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to pay in installments on Amazon. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Amazon app or open Amazon on a web browser. And then in the search bar, simply search for an item you want to purchase from Amazon. Once you have done this, you can find the item that you want to purchase. And once you're in this kind of interface, you need to now simply scroll down below to the payment section. So in the payment section, one-time payment is selected by default. However, Amazon is providing you monthly installment section as well. So simply tap on a monthly plan, and once you have selected it, you can simply get your item by paying its installment monthly. So once you have done this, you will now simply add it to your basket, and once you have added it to your basket, simply visit your card, and then as your credit card and debit card is already linked with your Amazon account, it will be directly selected as your payment method. However, you can also modify it by selecting any other payment methods, and after this is done, you will be able to pay in installments in Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.